Welcome back to part 2 of this video series on street legal golf carts. I'm Juan, General Manager of Capt Golf Carts 2, and as I promised in the last video, I'm going to teach you in this video all about converting your golf cart into a converted golf cart that can be made street legal and driven legally on the streets. So we now know there's a difference between golf carts, converted golf carts, and low-speed vehicles. And the general rule is golf carts cannot be legally driven in the streets. And we talked about the exceptions to that rule in the first video. Now, let's begin understanding that general rule of why golf carts cannot be legally driven in the streets by looking at how Florida law defines a golf cart. Florida Statute Section 320.01 subsection 22 defines a golf cart as a motor vehicle designed and manufactured for operation on a golf course for sporting or recreational purposes, and that is not capable of exceeding speeds of 20 miles per hour. The law teaches us two important things, one of them obvious, and that is golf carts are designed and manufactured to be operated on a golf course. So by this law telling us where they can be operated, it's also telling us where they can't be operated, and that's on public roads and streets. The second thing we learn in this definition is golf carts are not capable of exceeding speeds of 20 miles per hour. I repeat, golf carts are not capable of going faster than 20 miles per hour. Don't let the golf bag and clubs fool you. That was not a golf cart. A casket on four wheels with an electric motor is more like it. But I digress. Brand new golf carts, when purchased from a dealer, do not exceed 20 miles per hour because it's the law. Most new golf carts go up to 19.4 miles per hour, while many old golf carts go anywhere between 10 and 15 miles per hour, if you haven't taken matters into your own hands, that is, and that is to make it faster. You see, by law, golf carts don't go fast enough to be legally driven in the streets. Imagine having to drive on a one-way street behind a golf cart going 12 miles per hour in a 35 mile per hour zone.
You, pull over. Pull over to the side. Pull over.
You don't want to end up like that guy. Not only is it not safe to drive an unconverted golf cart on the streets, you're begging for an encounter with law enforcement. So when we talk about converting your golf cart into a converted golf cart that can be legally driven on the streets, one of the first things we're talking about is making it go at least 20 miles per hour without it being able to exceed 25 miles per hour. Emphasis on not exceeding 25 miles per hour, like that NASCAR in the first video. Okay, so now we know a golf cart can't go faster than 20 miles per hour, and a converted golf cart must go at least 20 miles per hour without exceeding 25 miles per hour. If your golf cart dealer can't do that for you, come see me. But again, converting your golf cart to go at least 20 miles per hour without going 25 miles per hour is only one of the many conversions most golf carts need. Golf carts oftentimes may require installing seat belts, turn signals, a horn, headlights, tail lights, and brake lights. And that's not it. Our website at captgolfcarts.com lists the other items like an illuminated license plate holder, slow-moving vehicle sign, a DOT-approved windshield and DOT-approved tires with a manual windshield wiper, and at least 2 mirrors that let you see behind you. So let's recap. To meet the requirements to be street legal, your golf cart must be converted to go at least 20 miles per hour without exceeding 25 miles per hour and have all of those parts and components installed. That's the difference. that very important legal difference between a golf cart and a converted golf cart. But the road to your cart becoming street legal doesn't end there with making all of those enhancements. You must then complete and submit a slew of incomprehensible forms to the Florida Department of Motor Vehicles to obtain a Florida title and VIN number for your cart. Because just like a car, your cart must be titled, registered, and insured to be driven legally on the streets. I'll revisit this in the next video about low-speed vehicles. But if you like this video and want to see more like it, do us a favor and press the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the notifications tab. It helps us get the word out and lets you know when we release the next video. Again, thank you for watching.